What is up, YouTube? Ah. Thought I'd try this external mic that I got the other day. And as you can see, I got it wrapped and zip tied. If I can see it or not, but it's somewhere there. And I figured I would take out on a ride today. So, yeah. Let's go have so much cinema. Whee! So I was going to do a vlog about snail farts. Come to find out, the world does not know about snail farts. You cannot find anything about snail farts anywhere. I have researched this for a month and I find nothing on snail farts. So I guess that vlog is going to be kind of obsolete for right now. Until we can figure out how to vlog about snail farts. But anyway, I figured I'd take y'all on this windy road that I promised. Whoa, God, did you see that? That was a crazy looking bird. But yeah, oh, so beautiful. I want to touch it. Oh, I'm kind of at a loss today, y'all. I just got through being sick and everything, and you know, and I ain't been feeling worth a crap for about the past week. So, hello, people I do not know. And just been feeling really terrible, man. Sick as crap, you know, and ear was hurting for like a week. Couldn't hear anything out of it. All that, but I'm feeling a lot better now, dude. Yep. I actually used to live down that road right there. Long time ago. I hope this mic is working. So I told y'all I'd get a better setup so I could join y'all's moto vlogs. We're going to Moab next year. Moab, yeah! We're going to Moab and ride it up. I'm actually going to the bank next year and getting a couple $1,000 loan to go to Moab. So I definitely want to thank Dirt Hog, Hermit, Accidental Broadcast, Ever Ride a Map. If I didn't mention it, you know who you are, for all the helpful hints and ideas and everything that y'all given me to get me started. So I just want to say thank y'all for that. Y'all's videos inspired me to get back on the bike. I've actually been riding my whole life, but I couldn't find inspiration there for a long time to get it done again. And y'all giving that back to me, so thank you. Whoop, better not ride a wheelie around this curve. See, everything around here is like a road named after a creek. I live on Pool Creek. This is Wolf Creek. And across from where I live is She Creek. Oh shit. Down freaking power or something. Phone line or something down. I just hope I don't catch one at the wrong time. But anywho, just wanted to say thank y'all. And man, this is like the best thing ever. You know, I actually broke down right here when I was 15 years old on a KLR 250. Yeah, man, that thing was ancient, dude. That bike was fun as hell. I was like 15. Traded a 1960 CJ5 Willis Jeep for it. Had the original flathead 4-cylinder in it. That was my first vehicle actually when I was 13. And ended up trading it for a dual sport because I wasn't, you know, driving or anything, so I got me a bike. Then come home one day and my daddy had a YZ 250 friggin' two-stroke bored out 86 model, I think. Oh my god, that thing was a danger ranger, man. It was just unbelievably, you know, fast. And so on and so forth, shit like that. Whatever. I forgot what the hell I was talking about, sorry. Huh. But anyway, up here is the road that I was talking about. One of the curviest roads that I know. Right here. This road is absolutely dangerous. Yeah. If you didn't think it was dangerous now, you're seeing it before they paved it. Oh my god. Absolutely insane, but fun as hell on a bike. So, I hope my wind noise problem is settled. I hope my microphone situation is fixed. Of course, I won't know until I review the footage and, you know, and check it out that way. Man, look at all that cinema. Alright guys and gals, I understand now why you stop talking when it gets intense. It's that's a little hard to do, man. And yes, see, I told you, the curviest freaking road that I know. This thing is insane, man. Oh my goodness. Well, them pictures that I taken where the other camera messed up with the color, this is the road I was on. This goes to the rec department. It's a back road to the rec department. And Buddy Mike. But there's a view up here that I want everybody to see. So we're gonna go there now. Living in the feller, living in the holler, everybody gonna friggin' scream, friggin' scream. Oh my goodness. So far so good. I just really hope this mic works, man, because, jeez. Glad I got my street tires on. Now this is the curve I was talking about, the iffy one. Whee! Like like I said, man, it's just one of them back mountain roads, you know, that you gotta know is friggin' there. I mean, yeah, look at that drop off. There's some stories behind this road, and I'm not really certain about it, so I don't even want to talk about it or think about it because the shit's creepy as hell. And I'm a pretty, you know, wicked guy, but I don't like to talk about creepy shit. Just not my thing to do. Oh, that's where he lives. His dad's the one that owns All American Plumbing, where I used to work. Yeah. That was a good job, man. Good job. They paid good. And you just couldn't beat it, man. I mean, it was a good job. Ended up wrecking my bike. I hit a guardrail about 60. Out for like 20 minutes. And see my arm right there? It almost cut my arm in half. Managed to pull the bike out from under the guardrail. When I woke up like 20 minutes later, put my shoes back on. I had to jump start the bike and made it to the house and collapsed in my driveway. And that's where family members found me. That's where my youngin's at right now. He's up there at the school. But that's where they found me. And now this is the view I want y'all to check out right here. Go a little bit slower for you. We'll get up near the rodeo. Oh man, there's so many mountains back there. Man, I don't like him looks at them clouds, dude. Holy crap. We'll go to the rec department. Oh, ain't there yet. We're getting there. Just one of many of my little back roads that I take just to avoid traffic. There we go. Bam! Stand up so y'all can see all the awesomeness. And that is what I'm talking about. That's what I wanted y'all to see. Right there. Oh my God, that's so awesome, isn't it? A house right on top of that damn old knoll up there. I guess that's what you would call it. Make sure nobody's behind me. Yeah. There's a rodeo. I hope this external mic is working. Because if it ain't, I'm going to be so disappointed. Alright, let's go to the rec department real quick. That's where all the baseball fields is, you know, stuff like that. A lot of people have weddings and stuff up here, and birthdays, stuff like that. So, I want y'all to check all this out. Enjoy it with me. I'm glad I'm able to, fortunate enough to share it with you. So, I'm grateful for that. So yeah, that's the mountain view. And here's the rec department. And I'm gonna turn around and let y'all just see this. Bam! So much cinema. Well, There it is, guys and gals. Mountain ranges and awesome friggin' views. Please like, subscribe, comment, dislike, whatever makes you happy. And I will see you on the YouTube. Later.